Hey there, welcome back to my another video. I hope you are doing great and I'm fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. You have already noticed that a few days ago I started making video content in English. My well-wishers always say me, please make your content in Bangla and we can understand better if you make it in Bangla. They don't know what is my aim. My aim is to make awareness among the pupils or students who fear English. And I always say in most of the videos that English is nothing but a language. So whenever you try to learn other language, so it takes a time. So you spend a lot of time, and you know that I'm a teacher and I'm still a learner. I'm learning many more every day, and I spent a lot of time in my study. I'm still practice reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and that's why I'm making my contents. I grow my confidence to move so that I'm making this video content. Dear viewers, you know that. This time I spent most of the time for listening, and you know, there is a proverb in Bangla, শোনো বেশি বলো কম. So I practice my listening skill. I'm still mix my confidence by listening skills. And dear viewers, there is no shortcut way to learn other languages. If you wanna learn other language, it takes time. You have to adhere to it. So don't forget to invest your time, and I'd like to say you have to spend your time equally in the four parts: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So if you emphasize your time, if you emphasize these four skills, you will certainly learn how to speak English, how to write, and how to get better, how to improve yourself in English. So dear viewers, if though I am a beginner and I'm trying my best for making video, and please bear with me. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels. Keep me in your prayers. See you again in another video. Bye bye. No more today.